Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to fix overnight battery drain in iPhone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. It's always a problematic issue when your iPhone battery drains overnight, so I will be showing you guys few solutions to solve this problem. The very first thing you can do is you have to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data on iPhone while you are not using. For that, swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Now your control center will appear. Turn off the data and Wi-Fi while you are not using. Likewise, the second solution is you have to turn off your Bluetooth while you are not using. Now the third solution is you have to adjust your brightness, set it to minimum level. Now the first solution is you can enable dark mode in your phone. For that you will need to tap on this one icon. Now the fifth solution is you have to enable low power mode in your phone. For that, head towards settings. Scroll all the way down, go to the option of battery. Now toggle on for this option of low power mode. Likewise, sixth solution is you have to disable location services on iPhone. For that, go back, go to the option privacy and security. At the top, you're gonna find this option of location services. Open it. Toggle off for this option location services. Tap on turn off. Now the seventh solution is you have to turn off background app refresh. For that, go to the option general. Now over here, you're gonna find this option of background app refresh. Open it. Now at the top you can find background app refresh option, tap on it and set it to off. Now go back. Now the eighth solution is you have to update your iOS apps regularly. For that, close this and open your app store. At the top left corner you can find your profile icon, tap on it. Scroll all the way down. Over here you're gonna find different apps that are in your device. Make sure you update all these apps regularly. Now the ninth solution is you have to update your iOS software. For that, open your settings. Scroll all the way down, go to the option General, open this option Software Update and make sure your iOS is up to date. Likewise, 10th solution is you have to remove all the unnecessary apps from iPhone. If you are not using any of the app, you can just uninstall it. For that, you will need to long press on it. Tap on this option of Remove App, tap on Delete App. This way you can uninstall all the apps that you are not using. By applying all of these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix overnight battery drain in iPhone. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.